Hi there, this is Nene from Crafted by Nene, and I have Isabella with me today. Anyway, so I got these two glue guns, new glue guns from Amazon, and let's unbox together. So, Isabella, are you going to unbox with me? Yeah. Okay, let's do this together. I think this is I've always wanted a glue gun that didn't have wires so that I could always move around while I'm working. So I'm hoping this was a good choice. I will put the links to the Amazon links below. But in the meantime, let's unbox. Wow, this is so cute. Woo! That is Isabella. That is so cute. What else is in the box? Um, it's called HOTO, HOTO. However that is pronounced. It's a HOTO brand. The details will be in the description anyway. So these are just cables, and I think I got some glue, glue sticks, some extra glue sticks. Oops. I don't want to tear it. Okay, this way. Oh, I got some colored glue sticks. Wow. Some glitter glue sticks. The gold and the plain ones. Yeah, this is nice. Well, let's show again. So cute. Look at that. Look at the hole for the glue stick. Yeah. My glue guns are usually not this clean, so I wonder how long this will stay clean. Now let's move to the next one. Well, I'll show them the next one. Yeah. Okay, so let's tear it open. Okay. This one here. This brand, what's it called? ROMECH hot melt glue gun. I would also put the descriptions in the details in the description. The ratings for this was really high, and I hope it's so difficult to open. I hope it's ooh, this is looking good already. Nice pink pack. I don't really like pink. I'm not a pink person, but this is cute. Isabella likes pink, right, Isabella? It's also branded ROMECH. ROMECH. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my. Oh my god, it's pink. It's pink. It's so pink. It is so pink. Oh yeah, this is the bigger glue sticks. I really needed one of these. This is nice. It has an indicator there. What else is in the box? Don't press. Oh, the extra glue sticks. I got a couple here. This is nice. This will be great for when I'm going to work, or to install some projects. I like the golden tip. Nice. So these are the two glue guns. They are really pretty. Hold on, Isabella. And maybe in a few weeks or months, I would do an updated video to show you how they look, because I can bet you they're not going to be this pretty, in a few months. Let me show you my old glue gun. Yeah. This is probably going to be like this in a few months, but I'll try not to keep it as dirty as this. But I mean, when I get busy, who cares? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and every other thing you need to do with this video. Till my next video. Bye. Say bye, Isabella.